In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate average in Excel. By the end, you'll be comfortable using the average function to quickly summarize your numbers with a clean, accurate result. First, open Excel and go to the workbook where your data lives. Locate the table or list that contains the numbers you want to analyze. Remember, an average is a mathematical calculation, so it only makes sense when applied to numeric data. If your table mixes numbers with text, dates, or labels, that's okay. Just focus on the numeric column or area you actually want to average. Excel's average function ignores text and blanks, but it does include zeros, so a cell containing 0 will affect the result. If you're seeing an unexpected average, double check that your values are truly numbers and not stored as text. Once you've found the right place in your worksheet to display the result, click the cell where you want the average to appear. Many people place it at the bottom or at the end of a column to keep things organized. Type equals average to start the function. Next, open the parenthesis. Now select the range for which you want to see the average. You can do this by clicking and dragging across the cells or by typing the range address directly, like B2, B15. Take a moment to ensure you've highlighted only the cells you intend to include. When you're ready, close the parenthesis. Press enter and Excel will immediately calculate and display the average of that range. If you need to adjust the selection later, just click the formula cell and edit the range in the formula bar. The result updates automatically whenever the underlying numbers change, so you don't have to retype the formula as your data grows. If you ever see a divide by zero error, it usually means the range contains no numeric values. Confirm that at least one cell in the range is a valid number. You can repeat this process as many times as you need, applying the same simple steps to different columns, rows, or sections of your sheet. Keep your ranges consistent to make comparisons easy and label your result cells clearly so anyone reviewing the file understands what each average represents. That's all there is to it. Go to Excel, locate your numeric data, type equals average, open the parenthesis, select the range, close the parenthesis, and hit enter. With that, you've got a reliable, professional summary of your numbers in seconds.